Hello everyone! Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to design and simulate a temperature and humidity monitoring circuit using an Arduino UNO and a DHT22 sensor in Cirkit Designer. This is a beginner-friendly guide, so follow along step by step. First, open your browser and go to Cirkit Designer. Create a new project by clicking on New Project. Give your project a name, for example, DHT22 Arduino Simulation. Now let's add the required components. Search and add Arduino UNO. DHT22 temperature and humidity sensor. Resistor, 10k ohm. Place all components neatly on the workspace. Now we will connect the circuit step by step. Connect the VCC pin of the DHT22 sensor to the 5 volts pin of the Arduino. Connect the GND pin of the sensor to the GND pin of the Arduino. Connect the data pin of the DHT22 sensor to digital pin 2 of the Arduino. Place a 10k ohm resistor between the VCC and data pin. This acts as a pull-up resistor, which is necessary for stable communication. Make sure all connections are correct, as even a small mistake can prevent the circuit from working properly. Now let's write the Arduino code. Click on the code editor and write the required code. This code reads temperature and humidity data from the DHT22 sensor and prints it on the serial monitor. Now click on the Run Simulation button. Open the serial monitor to see the output. You will see real-time temperature and humidity values being displayed. That's it. You have successfully designed and simulated an Arduino UNO with a DHT22 sensor using Cirkit Designer. This project can be extended to IoT applications like weather monitoring systems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more electronics tutorials. Thanks for watching.